Привіт-привіт! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video, I would like to tell you how you can join my course from absolute beginner to a confident speaker online or in person. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. It is very important for me if you share my YouTube channel on different social media publics, like Facebook groups. I appreciate it so much because my goal for the next year is to get 100,000 subscribers. Ось так. So guys, what a tough year we had. Horrible. It was just like a nightmare, and I feel so tired at the end of this year. And I think my move to the United Kingdom and my hard work during the year just took all my strength and energy, and now I feel super tired all the time. But I just need a little bit rest, and in January we will start learning Ukrainian language with you again. So I would like to invite you to join my course for beginners, and it will be launched on January 9 online, so you can book your spot at the course at my website. Please check out this link and you can find all information about it. And I want to tell you that during the 1 year and 3 months, 335 people took this course. And on the website you can check out the feedbacks about it. So it's a full program, and yes, it is very successful course. Therefore, I'm going to teach it in person in Oxford University. Yes, I'm super happy about it. So unfortunately, only people who live in England and close to Oxford have an opportunity to join my course in person, and it will be launched there on January 16. So if you want to join it, please let me know. You can email me, and it is possible that not only the students of Oxford but just English people can join it. So I will be so happy to invite you, and you can meet in person with me. I can teach you personally, and therefore I'm in England right now because I want to share my beautiful language and culture worldwide. And currently I'm here in England, and who knows, maybe in 1 year I will be in another country or another continent, because life is so unpredictable, guys. I can tell you, so you can believe me. So I wanted to tell you, let me repeat one more time. You can join my course online on January 9, or you can join my course in person on January 16 if you live not far from Oxford, or it is convenient for you to get to it twice per week. All information you can find about the course on my website, or you can just email me. And I will be so happy to answer all your questions. And also at the end of this video, I want to tell you, guys, thank you so much. Дуже дякую for supporting Ukraine, for donating money, for spreading the truth on your social media, for having Ukrainian flags, for accepting Ukrainian refugees. Thank you so much for your help. We couldn't manage it without you, and together we are on the good side. Together we will win. And I have some good feelings for the next year. and I think we will win the war next year for sure, and there will be a great victory, and I believe that many people would like to visit Ukraine, to see its beauty, to meet brave people, and to dive into its culture and language there physically. It's amazing, I'm sure. So please keep supporting us. We just need to push more. I know you're tired. I'm so tired because I worked a lot at my school, and also I worked very hard for helping people in Kherson, and I still help there because, you know, we have right now a disaster with electricity, water, heating, etc. And the left side of Kherson region, I mean the left river bank of it, is still in occupation, whereas my dad right now. So let's push it, let's do it. And I want to tell you that my biggest desire, my biggest wish for the next year is victory. I don't want anything, just victory for Ukraine. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Hope to see you next year in Ukraine. And Слава Україні!